Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You do have that sport hood on it, as well as the chrome accenting on the grille. You got your projector style headlights and your fog lights down there with your parking sensors along there as well. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with BF Goodrich tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior tow mirrors right here, so all you gotta do is pop them up like this, and you can see even farther back, helps you when you're towing stuff. You also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming back here, you do have your Ram boxes looking great. You can open them up just like this, and you got extra storage on the side here, very useful. You also have your 4x4 badging as well as your dual exhausts. And you do also have your parking sensors back here, as well as your backup camera. Now this does also have a 6-foot box. Looks great back here, lots and lots of room. You do have that guy there in case you need to use that. Looks fantastic. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 press to lock, 2 presses to lower the air ride suspension, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for us. We don't have to go outside in the cold. And if it is locked, you do have the proximity keyless entry, so as long as you have the key on your person, just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock, as well as you have the button there to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, some storage, and some more just down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here, we got the controls of our lights. So our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your fog lights there, and you do have your in-cabin light control here. And up here, we do have the control over the high beams and turning signals. This guy here does bring the pedals closer to you. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have there, the temperature outside. We also have what gear we're in, and all sorts of guys in there. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, our trip A, our trip B. We also have our trailer tow options, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down, as well as a source selector there. Right in the center, you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through your SD, your Bluetooth, aux cord, USB, or your disc. You got your controls over heated and vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. You have your apps here. You can look through all sorts of different stuff in there. You also have your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation right here, so you can hit view map, and you can see we are in Rec Place. You also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Gear shift is just right over here. You also have your 4-wheel auto, lock and low, as well as your 2-wheel button there. And then in the center, you got your volume up and down with your mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and your tune room browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off auto, front and rear defrost, trailer brake here, your air ride suspension. You also have your traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park assist, or park sensor, sorry, and then you do have your button right here for your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, and same for the other side. Some storage in here, more in here, and some cup holders here. Arm rest here that doubles as a storage container. You got the top layer here, and you do have your aux cord, 2 USB, and an SD card slot. You can open this guy up, lots of room there, as well as your CD player right there. Over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer. Looks fantastic, lots and lots of room. And then up top you do have the control over the sunroof, the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof, looking great. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle, you have the control of your windows, handle here, some storage, and some more. Looks great back here, very comfortable, same material as the front. You can fold this down and you got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold these seats up just like this, and you do have some room under there. There is a subwoofer on the other side. You can also fold this down just like this, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff up on top of. And then underneath the floor here, you do have some little storage containers. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.